Hey everyone, this is Gunman, and welcome to PyGenius, where Python doesn't just run, it talks. Today we are going to make an insane text-to-speech system using Python. So just make your scripts alive and let's dive in. So hello guys, welcome to the screen. Let's write our code here. First of all, to create a TTS system, we have to import our library. Import pyttsx3, and now let's create a function text-to-speech text text-to-speech SPW speech, and let's add a parameter called text. Now we have to set voice in our TTX system. First of all, so now we have to call our library. For calling it, we will save it in a variable for our further use, for as we have to use it repeatedly. So now let's store it in a variable. We will write pyttsx3 ttsx3 dot in it. So now it is initializing, and now we have to set voice in it. For setting voice in it, let's create a variable named voices, and now let's call our library. And for getting a property from a library, we write get property, and the property we want to get is voices. So now let's set up the property, as we have to customize it as per our needs. So let's set property. The property we want to set is voice, and let's voices. So now we have to add a ID, and the ID is 0 for the male voice, and for the female voice we have the ID 1. Let's comment it out and write it for female voice, the ID is 1. Now we have to set up Now we have to set up speech rate engine dot set property rate, and let's set the rate to 180. Now for making our TTS system to speak, we will add a functionality named engine dot say, and let's add a text here, as we have created it in our function. Now let's run. So for running it, we will write run and wait, run and wait. It will wait until our script is speaking. So now let's have an input from the user. We will have text as the input for the user. Input, enter the text you want to convert. Now let's call a function here, text to speech, text to speech, and let's call a variable here, user input. So now our code is done, and we have to run it and test it that it is working or not. So guys, it's time to test our code. So first we are running it in a terminal. It's asking for text left. First of all, we are testing it with male voice, as we have put in ID 0. So let's give it a text. How are you?
How are you?
It is working very well. Now test it with
female voice and update the ID with one, run it again, and now I am adding text again. My name is Kunme.
My name is Gunmei.
It's running very well, guys, and I hope you like my video. And if you like it, so just hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and share this video with a friend. And for further knowing about this library PyTTX, so just Google it, and here is the full documentation.